7 a.m. alarm and I'm up. The day with my forge pack starts like any other day. By 7:15, I'm packing up to head out. My forge has a place for everything. Soft, protective pockets for your laptop and tablet, generous easy access pockets, and zipper storage pocket. My charger, phone, wallet, and keys are right at hand at all times. I've got about a mile to walk to the train station, and I switch to backpack mode along the way. By 7:55, I'm hopping on the train. I'll switch back to brief mode. Now I have easy access to all my gear, even if the train is crowded. My forge also works great as a shoulder bag. By 8:30, I've made it to work, and my forge makes the transition simple. A place for everything, and everything stays in its place. But wait, it's Friday. I'm meeting friends in LA tonight. Not a problem, my forge has a hidden feature. Tucked away in this hidden zipper, there's a strap. Give that strap a pull, and the forge expands instantly from 20 to 30 liters. That adds enough room for my running shoes, denim, a couple t-shirts, button-downs, jacket, and toiletries. Time to head to the airport. We are Black Ember, an independent design studio in San Francisco, California. This is our 5th Kickstarter. From the beginning, we had one thing in mind: creating urban travel packs that would be perfect for your everyday, no matter where that day would take you. From Dubai to New York, we've shipped thousands of backpacks all over the world. Our proprietary construction techniques, advanced textile specification, and custom hardware make Black Ember packs look, feel, and function like no other backpack you've ever owned. We've been developing the forge for many months, and now we need your help to make it a reality. Please hit that green button to reserve your forge pack, and welcome to the Black Ember experience.